Good morning. I am back on my vlogging game. So today is the day after we did a super belated first birthday for Lennon. We actually went to Japan for 2.5 weeks for my 30th birthday and Lennon's first birthday. Sorry for the banging. He threw his stuff on the floor. So when we came back, we had extreme jet lag and we actually all got really sick. So we actually had to cancel his party. We had like a party room and everything planned. We had to cancel it and we just started all feeling better last week. So we decided this weekend just to have some time with family to just celebrate him because it is his first birthday and everyone actually missed him so much. So it was nice to spend time with family. So today we are just relaxing a little bit. I am probably going to be dropping off some stuff to my sister because we had some extra cake. But now I'm just making Lennon some breakfast before his first nap, which he is demanding for. So let me get to it. You want to see yourself? Is that you? Is that Lennon? Turn.
Here's your coat, I'll wear mine too, they'll keep us safe and warm. Don't forget booties for our feet, I love to weather the storm.
Now that Lennon is currently sleeping or napping for his nap of the day, then Mom gets to finally get ready for the day. Lennon is currently down for his nap. I made fried rice for lunch and then I was able to clean up his toys after his morning play. I'm hoping he naps for 2 hours today and then we can put him earlier to bed because he's been going through kind of like teething, sleep regression, separation anxiety. So at night he would sleep in intervals of like 4-ish hours, wake up frantically crying. And I'm also in the process of trying to wean him off, but I'm finding it very hard at the moment because he's going through the sleep regression. So Mama's tired, but I'm just navigating the best that I could at the moment. And on top of that, Yuki currently has a reoccurring UTI. We've been dealing with this before we went to Japan a month ago. So we need to get her urine test today. So I have to collect her pee, bring it to the vet, let them test it and see what antibiotics she should be on because she's been on and off antibiotics. It went away. And I think the main issue that we kind of figured out was it was her food and the lack of like moisture or water she's been intaking. So her like urine has been super concentrated. So that hasn't been fun. If you have a dog and have dealt with UTI, it's not very pleasantly smelling at all either. So trying to figure that out today, since I'd rather deal with it sooner than later. But yeah, just chilling out. I have 3 more months to my mat leave, so I'm just trying to enjoy spending quality time with Lennon and being able to enjoy last summer with him before he goes off to daycare, which is exciting but nerve-wracking at the same time. Luckily, his daycare is literally a 3-minute drive from us and like a 8-minute walk, so it's nice that he's gonna be close by if we ever need to get him or if any emergencies.
Been vlogging my whole life.
Look, remember these Pikachu shoes you bought?
There you go. Hello?
Wow, it's making noise.
Wait, does it make noise?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck? I didn't know that.
These ones will run after it.
It's so
It's not going. I got.